Fox News Flash top entertainment and celebrity headlines are here. Jury selection for Jussie Smollett's disorderly conduct trial has commenced in Chicago. But as of Monday, cameras and members of the press are not allowed inside the courtroom, according to a Fox News reporter on the ground. The court is now working with the media to strategize how the press will fit inside the courtroom. According to the reporter, the press is sitting in the hallway and can see inside the courtroom, but the audio is hard to decipher. Judge James Lynn is presiding over the case. Because of guidelines present to help stop the spread of COVID-19, Judge Lynn decided that seating within the courtroom must be reserved for potential jurors. However, the courtroom will reportedly keep its doors open to provide some insight to the public as to what's going on inside, provided that does not become a disruption. It's expected that, once the jury is selected, there will be more room for reporters and cameras to film or stream the proceedings. Jussie Smollett trial, judge orders no cameras, press in courtroom during jury selection. Smollett contends he was the victim of a racist and homophobic assault in downtown Chicago on January 29, 2019. However, siblings Abimbola and Olabinjo Osundero, who worked with him on Empire, say he paid them $3,500 to pose as his attackers. Actor Jussie Smollett walks with family members as they arrive Monday, November 29, 2021, at the Layton Criminal Courthouse for jury selection at his trial in Chicago. AP photo/Charles Rex. Arbogast, Smollett is accused of lying to police about the alleged attack and has been charged with felony disorderly conduct. A Class 4 felony, the crime carries a sentence of up to 3 years in prison. Jussie Smollett trial, key moments since he reported Chicago attack. However, experts have said it is more likely that if the 39-year-old is convicted, he would be placed on probation and perhaps ordered to perform community service. Smollett is accused of lying to police, and he reported he was the victim of a racist, anti-gay attack in downtown Chicago nearly 3 years ago. Richard Shotwell/Invision/AP file. Still, the actor has maintained his innocence throughout the proceedings, after the brothers were taken into custody and released without charge. Police noted at the time that the investigation had shifted. Shortly after, Smollett was charged with disorderly conduct for filing a false police report. Trial set to start on charges. Smollett faked racist attack siblings Abimbola and Olabinjo Osundero, who worked with him on Empire, say he paid them $3,500 to pose as his attackers. AP photo/Paul Beatty file. A Cook County grand jury returned a 16-count indictment charging the actor with falsely reporting an offense, but those charges were dropped. However, U.S. Attorney Dan Webb was later appointed as special prosecutor to investigate why those charges were dropped, ultimately leading a grand jury to return a 6-count indictment against Smollett. Click here to get the Fox News app. He has since pleaded not guilty to the restored charges and will argue his case in court. Fox News' Tyler McCarthy and the Associated Press contributed to this report.